So if you personally have also tried all the method, you have tried robotic affirmations, you have tried affirmations, you have tried 10-minute methods, you have tried visualization, scripting, everything, but you are still telling me and commenting in my groups and everywhere and wondering why the methods are not working for you, you have tried everything, then this video is for you. Hi, welcome to day 11 of Law of Assumption Made Easy with Amara. We are on day 11 today, and this is one of the biggest complaints that I get from people. And genuinely, I was there where I was trying everything, but somehow, no matter how much I try, but nothing seems to work. And if that is being your experience, then this video is for you. Day 11, we are exploring today what are the possible reasons that you are trying everything, you are doing all the methods, but they are not working with you. Usually there are 3 to 5 usual causes that I have come across when I'm coaching someone, or when members on my Facebook group come and ask me, or on my another public group, they come and ask me and tell me, hey, you know what, I've tried all the methods, I've been visualizing for 3 years, I've been affirming for 2 months, but nothing changed. Number one often is whenever you stop doing the method, despite of whatever method you are doing, what are you doing when you are not doing the methods? I mean, this is one of the biggest questions you need to get honest with yourself, is what am I thinking when I'm not doing my methods? Second, anytime you are telling yourself that this is not working for me, you are reaffirming the fact, the assumption that it's not working for you. Number third, not having enough patience. When you do not have enough patience and you are constantly doing the methods and quickly go to the 3D and check whether it has worked or not, or it also called as looking for evidence in 3D reality, there is a big possibility that you will be in and out of the state. Whereas at one moment you decide it already is done, I have this, I am married, I got the money, I got my job, I got my visa, I am this, I'm healthy, whatever you are manifesting. And the very second you go out of a state where you tell yourself that you do not have it. And number fourth, which is extremely common, is people are doing the methods to get it. And I know it's like a little bit crazy. It's like, okay, yeah, this is law of assumption, I do the methods to get it, but think about the mindset around it. Oftentimes, look, it's nothing wrong. I have manifested being very diligent about knowing logically that I am doing this method to get this particular result in my life, and that is absolutely okay. But where it becomes a little bit tricky is when you constantly are hopping from one method to another so that you can get your result faster. And whenever you have this lingering thought that I'm doing this so that I can get my results faster, somewhere subconsciously you are entertaining an assumption that you do not have that in your current reality, and that's why you need to do different methods. You need to try everything you can so that you can have it. And this was a very biggest hidden assumption for me when I seriously realized it. I was listening to Neville lecture called Rearrange Your Mind, and poof, it's like somehow something clicked, and I'm like, okay, you know what, I'm trying this method so that I can have it. Whereas Neville, it just keeps saying rearranging your mind because you already have it. And the last fifth point would be, if you are worrying, if you are constantly looking for evidence in 3D, you have to understand first what 3D is. 3D is nothing more than the reflection of your past. 3D right now is like an end result. That's it. End result of the past. But if your feelings, if your methods, which a lot of my clients when I work with them have this problem, and I had this problem too, is I was so attached to the 3D, whereas I was kept telling myself that 3D is not changing, it means it's not working. But take it from me, things can change overnight. When my manifestations have came to me, everything came like a flood. Everything came all together at once, and I'm like, oh wow, I couldn't even realize how things were working at the end in the background. So if you are very reliant on the 3D and thinking I will only do XYZ when my 3D would change, trust me, you will be stuck there for the rest of your life, and you do not want to be reliant on the 3D. And again, you don't want to be reliant on the 3D, because 3D is kind of waiting for you. You do not wait for the 3D. 3D is waiting actually for you. So make a decision, be persistent. If you like to watch the other day 1 to day 10 videos, they already are in my shorts. You can go ahead and watch all of them, and don't forget to save and follow along, and make sure that you come here till the day 30. If you have any questions, feel free to drop below in the comments. I will make sure that I will answer as many as I can. And if you still are not a part of my Facebook group or my public group, which is Neville, Goddard, Wisdom with Amara, you are very welcome to come and join me on Facebook as well. And thank you for being part of this 30-day series, and I'll see you tomorrow.